Rahim. Continuing to Civil 3D class. Today video is about how we can bring spot elevation in our volume surface, from which we will know which area have how much cut and fill. Suppose this volume area, so we will know here is almost 5 meter cut or 2 meter fill, like this. So in this video we will bring spot elevation and our volume surface. As you can see in this drawing, we have a profile in which this area is cut, this area is fill. Again, here if you can see this is a little cut and fill. From this area this is cut and this is cut and this area is fill. So if you want to know from the surface that which area have maximum or minimum cut and fill, how you will bring this elevation on your surface. For this area, we have one surface which is natural ground level, which is our base surface. We have created here a corridor and then we created a design surface. A design surface, if you go to your corridor property, you will know here in this surface, this is the design surface, which is the bottom link of our road. The bottom link means if you go to the sub-assembly, you can see this line passing here, the bottom link. So it means it will be low from the design level, almost 60 cm. So from this area we will calculate the cut and fill. First of all, here we need a surface, one surface which will show the volume. So for that we will create a volume surface. In volume surface you must go to the home, then go to the analyze tab, and here this is volume dashboard. This dashboard you will come here, it's the third option, create new surface volume. And create new surface volume, you write here surface, write here volume surface. From this one, let's take the old design, then we will create new design for this one. From here you can see the base surface. The base surface is always natural ground, and the comparison surface is the design. This will compare, we will compare here the natural ground with the design, and we will get the cut and fill. When you click OK, the red color is showing cut. As you can see, it's more. The green color is showing fill. So if you click OK, from here you can see we have cut in this area, as you can see, and it's showing here this is cut and this area is fill, and this area have cut again, this area is filling, and same like this area is also fill and this cut area. Okay, now let's create this. How you will create this surface style? Just click on the setting. From here just open the surface, and I'll right click here, this one, this is the surface style. Okay, so here in the surface, from the surface style, right click and click new. From here we will write new surface. Suppose this is A. I write here this style A. You can write anything here. And the display, here just turn on the border, and from here the elevation turn on and click OK. Now if you will go here, and then for the volume surface just go to the property and select this style. new surface, this style, new a, click OK, and you can see whole color change. Again right click here and go to surface property. From here go to your analysis. From the analysis you can see analysis type, there are different types here. So we will select elevation because we are creating surface type for elevation. The legend here you can use the standard or you can elevation by default. In my drawing there is elevation, so I will return. The create ranges. The ranges are three types. Number of range interval, range interval with data. So you can select by threes this one. Now we are need only number of ranges and these are only two, cut and fill, so I will select this one and then and here. Okay, this is from the below the minimum elevation from the below to here almost 63. I will not change, you can manually change this one. So this area is our cut, so I will select red color for the cut. Okay, this above volume, this above is fill. This will go to maximum elevation 85 cm. So from here I will select the green color and then click OK. Now you can see like this you can select a surface style for your surface, volume surface. Okay, now how we will bring here the spot elevation to know which area. From here, from the cross section, we know that this area is cut and filled, but how much we don't know. So for that we will create this run of the so it will not disturb us. Okay, from here if you want to bring this to back you can bring it. So you will know actually inside the road where you have cut and fill. Okay, so just select this surface we will use for this one. So go to the animate this tab, then click here this add label. For this one there are different type of label. This first we will create label for this one. So right click here and this one spot elevation. You can create new, you can edit to this one. So if you want to create new spot elevation for this one, there are different type of the one. This to create new spot elevation style. This one, right A, and from the layout, you can see here the text style is the height is 2.54. The surface elevation from here. If you go there, just around this one. This you can see from here. Okay, this sign is a negative sign, so drop this sign. We don't need any sign because if you put sign, negative sign or positive sign, it will get cut and fill. It will appear. We don't want. We only want to know. Or let's put by default. This was here, so you can sign always. You can select this one and this here, and then as you can see, this will appear like this one. If it is plus, then it will be plus. Minus, the anchor point must be the middle center, and here the attachment point must be the middle center. So exactly we will know where this one. Click apply and then click OK. Okay. Now we have created a new style AA for this one. So let's go here. Select the surface from this one. Select the spot elevation on grid. There is style. So we created A here. We don't need a marker. So just click OK. And then select a surface. right click and then select the volume surface and then okay. Shows it the on the left side the bottom point and then rotation is 0. Suppose we need is 10 meter and then on the right side click here and then select press enter and now you can see start elevation appear here. Mostly here is cut and fill more than 1 meter or less than 1 meter fill cutting fill showing the elevation everywhere. Okay, if you like to other style you can change from here. Just select the side and select similar, then delete this one and select any other style. Here you can see elevation on the spot elevation on grid and then add here specify the base point here, right click and then the base point here 0 10 meter 10 meter and then right corner here. Okay, and then okay, now you can see this in the round this less than 0 is showing now because in the setting if you go here it's in the precision if you can see there is precision less than so if you will put it in round it will automatically the value less than 0 will not show here because I put the round here in this style AA. Okay, now the other question is that if I want to show only here you can see the positive sign with the fill and minus sign with the cut. If I want to show only the cut and fill area, only cut area and only fill area where this volume, how I will do this. So let's delete this one. If I want to show only this area where there is cut or where is fill, so here in the setting tab in the spot elevation, just go here the expression. In the expression, right click and create new. From here, write fill only. Fill only mean the value greater than minus 63 or 0. From here, here you can write in the expression anything you want. In the expression, click here, select if what the volume surface. So select the surface elevation. Select this elevation is greater than minus 0.63. So it will show you the or you don't take from the bottom, just write here 0 comma then the text height is suppose 1.2 or I will check here let's say it is 1.25 or 0 and then okay click the end it must be this one and then okay and then from here which style we put here if you select here suppose this one let's create a table again here any style you selected anyone for the first here select the surface then spot elevation on grid and any style you select here and then click OK surface again okay base point this one 15 or 10 anything in the right corner okay you have created now like this then go just to this style and from here go select edit and here inside this height 2.5 so select the fill only option and then apply and then okay now because I wasn't know the size of the maybe I put by mistake some big size. So let's check this one. As you can see here, it's showing the values, but it's maybe I select I forget to put in the value here. So here it's showing. You can see here this put only fill area where there is fill are greater than given the condition. It puts values here greater than 0. It put here and the value here. But by mistake I put the maybe I forget to put the sign the decimal. Uh, let's create another part the cut area only. So I will create here. Just before, just check the text size. From here I will select the specified value in this 2.5 meter. So I will put here 2.5. So new this cut only. Okay, here select the if, then surface elevation if less than 0, then comma 2.5 or 0, and then this one click OK. And now here let's go and select cut only and apply. Okay, now you can see it's put the values where there is cut areas like this. This is greater than and less than 0, or you put the condition. So like this, here you can see did not full. So here this mother because we take cut and fill from minus 0.63. So that's why it's showing. So like this you can create your own spot elevation for the volume surface. Sometimes it's need the consultant. So this was today video about how you can bring spot elevation on your volume surface. Hopefully you will practice on it. Okay, thank you.